Stop! If your UPI payment gets stuck in processing, don't make this one common mistake. Most people do it and end up making the situation worse. Stay till the end because I'll show you exactly what to do.
First, let's understand why this happens. A UPI transaction can get stuck because of poor internet, bank server issues, or temporary technical glitches. So, don't panic.
Step 1. Wait for up to 24 hours. In many cases, the transaction is completed automatically, or the money is credited back to your bank account. If the problem still exists after 24 hours, open your UPI app, go to the Help or Support section, and raise a complaint for that transaction. Make sure you keep your UTR number or transaction ID ready. It helps the support team track your transaction much faster. If the issue isn't resolved through the app, contact your bank's customer support first. If the problem still continues, you can also contact the NPCI UPI helpline. Keep your UTR number ready before calling.
Remember the mistake I mentioned? Never send the same payment again. Wait until the first is resolved. Otherwise, you could pay twice.
If this video helped you, save it for future reference. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple finance and banking tips. In the next video, we'll explain what to do if you accidentally send money to the wrong